everyone. Thanks for joining me today. So today I'm going to do a piece that is something I've been seeing from another YouTube artist. His name is Carlos and his channel is Artistic Flow. Now Carlos is absolutely hilarious. He's such a nice guy. He's so kind and he's always commenting on my videos. And so I've been checking out his channel and he does all these rainbow Dutch pours. And like, I mean, I've never seen anything more colorful and more rainbow than what Carlos does. And it's hilarious because he does this awesome editing with all his videos and it's so fun to watch. So I'm giving you a shout out, Carlos. And so everybody who's watching, head on over to Carlos's YouTube channel. I'll put the description, I'll put the link in his channel in the description in my video. But go on over to Carlos's channel. It's called Artistic Flow and check him out. Like, I mean, his colors, he only uses like mainly 3 colors, which is red, blue, and yellow. And I'm telling you, the outcome of all his pours are just insane. So I'm gonna try it because I've never done a rainbow pour. And so I really want to try these colors out and see if I have any luck and making it look like Carlos does, because I'm telling you, they're amazing. So here we go. So I'm going to flood my canvas with my white. And for anyone watching, it's just Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White, or whatever it is it's called, by Artist Loft. And there's only Floetrol and paint. There's nothing else. No silicone, no water, and there's no ratio. I have no ratio and I don't use silicone. So yeah, this is the same thing. It's just in a squeeze bottle, so it makes it easy for me to apply and get my corners. Make sure everything is covered. And I'm working on a what is this, an 8x8? Yeah, this is an 8x8. So I wanted to test it out on a smaller piece before I go bigger. I know, you know, you say go big or go home, but let's try it first. So there we go. And I'm going to pop my bubbles. You know what? I think I need more white here. All right. It was very thin there. All right. So I pre-mixed a lot. I had all these bottles. I bought, they're Wilton, so they're for actually baking. And I got them off Amazon. And they've been sitting on my shelf here for like months. And I've been meaning to get my paints all together and, you know, just have at least the colors of the rainbow. And I finally had a chance to do that. So I've got, you know, the colors of the rainbow and then a few extra colors. So here's like pinks and turquoise and blue. But I'm very excited because now I have paints that are already made up with my paint and Floetrol. And believe it or not, I actually added some water in this one, in these ones. So I added Floetrol. Don't ask me how much because I don't know. So Floetrol. And then I added paint and then a little bit of water. So I added the water only because these paints are going to be sitting in these bottles for, I don't know, depends how much I paint or how much I do canvases, but it'll sit in here for a while. So the water is going to help keep it more fluid, more fluid, call it whatever you want. Anywho, enough talking. So I am going to start with blue, just like Carlos does. So let's go with some blue, like so. And then he splashes some red. You know, he doesn't make puddles, so I'm just trying to go with what Carlos does. So let's see, and then I'll just add some yellow, like so. And that's it. So I'm gonna add my white on top, or around, I mean, sorry. I'm going to pop my bubbles. All right, I'm excited to see what happens. Carlos, it better look like yours. All right, So I'm gonna blow it over and then I'm gonna blow it back and cross my fingers that it looks as awesome as Carlos's does. So let's see. I didn't put enough white, but oh well, too late now. Maybe I didn't put enough white. Should I? I'll just do this. Whatever. All right, let's go back. Well, I don't know. Carlos, yours turned out so much nicer. Maybe I should have had more white in there. Mine's kind of looking like a little bit muddy. A little muddy. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not digging it. I'm not digging it. What do you guys think? Like, I mean, it's not bad. But when I compare it to what I see Carlos doing, it's nowhere near as nice as Carlos is. I'm gonna blow it and see what happens. And if I don't like it, I'm gonna scrape it. Yep, I am. So let me see what happens. You know what I was thinking too? Carlos doesn't use a hairdryer. He actually blows on it. So maybe that's why his turned out so nice. And mine just turned into a muddy mess. I don't know. I don't know if I like it. See, and this is why I started on a small 8x8. Yeah, I'm not digging it, guys. I don't know. It just looks like mud. Like here in the center, right here in the middle. It's looking a little muddy. Am I crazy? If I'm crazy, shout I'm crazy. Or leave it in the comments. Kanella, you're crazy. It looks good. I don't know. I'm very hard on myself. I'm not a fan. I really am not a fan. Yep, you see the popsicle stick? Whoop. I think I'm gonna try it again, but I'm not gonna use the hairdryer. I think I'm gonna blow it, and I think that might make a big difference. So if you like it, take a good last look, cause it's about to go bye-bye. Yeah, I just don't like it, so don't kill me. And Carlos, if you're watching, don't kill me either. So, bye-bye. All right. And this is, again, why I did this on an 8x8. Because I've never done this before and used these colors in particular. So, I didn't know how it was going to turn out. So, let's try that again. And this time I'm not going to use the hairdryer. So, yeah, I know, waste of paint, good Lord. Kill me. What are you gonna do? All right, let's spread this back out and I'm gonna try again. And I'm gonna take a little bit of a different approach. So, get all the sides. Make sure there's no color on them from the pour I just did, which there is. All right, is that good? I think that's good. What's going on that side? I think we're all right. Just make sure my edges have a nice flow. And this is why I like using the Artist Loft acrylic flow white, because you get these massive bottles. And when you get them at Michael's and you get like, you use the coupon and you get the discount, like, I mean, it's the most inexpensive color you'll buy. Well, you could buy the other colors in the big bottles too, but I don't. All right, so we're back to the beginning. All right, pop those bubbles. All right, I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna try a different approach. I'm gonna start in the middle, and since I'm blowing with my mouth, I'm gonna blow it into a flower. So that's what I'm gonna do. So, blue. Is that enough? Blue. Oh God. Red. Oh look, it looks like a little sad face. Well, kind of, not really. Yeah, never mind. And some yellow. Okay, I don't know. So if this turns out like crap, sorry. This turns out bad. I'm gonna leave it up to Carlos to do this from now on. So, and I'll go back to the colors I know. So, let's flood it out all the way around. Let's pop those bubbles. All right, I'm going to tie my hair back because I did not do that, but I don't even have a clip, so I don't even know how I'm gonna tie it. Oh, I'm probably getting paint in my hair. Yep, probably. All right. Cross your fingers for me, guys. Let's blow this over. All right, and Carlos has a nice Lazy Susan, and he turns his board around. You know, everyone keeps telling me, oh, get a Lazy Susan. I really hate using them. I've tried it, and I don't like it. All right, it's blown over. Here we go, guys. Ooh, I like that blue. Oh, there's the yellow. Let's see. Man, these, how these white cells? It's crazy. All right. Still not liking it. There we go. So, Carlos, you are a genius. I don't know how you do it, but obviously I'm not good at it because all I see is a mess. I don't like it, but I am going to leave it. I don't want to waste more paint. Someone out there might like it. I don't. Because I look at the ones Carlos does, and they're so vibrant and so bright, and this just looks like a mess. So hats off to you, buddy. I don't know how you do it, but you do a damn good job. So I'm going to leave it, and I'm going to be done with it, and that's that. So I'll bring you guys down for a close-up. And you guys can let me know what you think in the comments. Alrighty, let's bring you down here. There we go. So, I don't know, guys. You tell me. What do you think? It's just, I should have put more yellow, I guess. I don't know. I guess I didn't put too much yellow. Not enough yellow. But anywho, there it is. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to head on over to Carlos's YouTube channel. Link is in the description. Give him a thumbs up and just maybe subscribe. And tell him I sent you guys. Let him know that I say hello and that I sent you guys over there. So check him out. He's awesome. So feel free to subscribe to my channel as well if you're new. And that's it. That's all, guys. Have a good night and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.